What up mga solid subscribers, no? So ngayon guys, ang papanoorin po natin itong video po ito ng SB19, no? Actually, this is a video from P-Pop Insider, guys, no? So kanya po itong video na papanoorin natin, no? Na upon scrolling po sa aking newsfeed, nakita ko po ito, no? Ang title po nito guys is SB19 is filming something, no? So had to close Intramuros temporarily updates and insights P-Pop. I'm very duduwal ako. Eto, no, panoorin po natin to, no, itong video na, no. I think makakuha tayo dito ng mga ganap sa ating mahal lima, kung nasa sila ngayon, kung ano pong ganap nila ngayon, kung ano pong update sa kanila ngayon. Alam niyo naman, meron silang ilalabas ngayon this February 28 na music video, guys, no. And we're all waiting for that, no. So abang-abang tayo doon, no. Okay guys, panoorin na po natin to. Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Intramuros was temporarily closed. For those who might have missed it, Intramuros was temporarily closed on February 19th, sparking curiosity and speculation among the public. Rumors quickly spread that an SB19 member was spotted in the area, which led many to wonder if their presence had anything to do with the sudden closure. As more details surfaced, it became evident that their filming team was also present in Intramuros at that time, further fueling speculation about what was really going on.
Alam nyo guys, kasi hindi nila pwedeng tawag dito, i-broadcast yan na nandito sila ng lugar, mag-film sila. Kaya syempre, ang gusto kasi nila makita sa music video, syempre, yung mga tao is, alam mo yon, like, paano ka ba explain sa inyo to? Hindi nila pwede i-announce, no? Kasi syempre, dudumugin yan, no? Dudumugin yan. At the same time, kailangan nila yung setting na, alam mo yon, yung, kung kailangan nila yung lugar na walang tao, mapag-shoot sila na maayos, walang abala or kung ano, no. Yun yung kailangan nila, no. Pero pag in-announce nila yan, believe me guys, dudumugin ng tao yan, no. As in, and then baka dumating sa point na hindi sila makapag-shoot ng maayos, no. Pero I'm very sure naman guys, no. Yung 18, sobrang disiplinado niyan. Pero yung mga casual fans, no, na hindi pa alam yung ano yung mga dapat gawin, no. 'Di ba? And mga do's and don'ts, mga ganun, no. So I think it's safe to say na kaya talaga nila ginagawa yung ganyan na hindi sila nag-announce is sa mga ganung klaseng kadahilanan, no.
The big question remains, what exactly was SB19 doing there that warranted closing one of the country's most iconic historical landmarks?
I think medyo ano siya, no, kasi syempre 'di ba ang ano nga nila is entitled na Simula at Wakas, no. So simula, nakita niyo naman dun sa part na 'yon, no. Yung babae, no, which is si Eve, no. 'Di ba parang kinagat niya raw yung may mansanas, and then doon pala makita mo na talagang doon nagsimula, no. It's about history, no. And I think it's a good representation po na yung gagawin nila is yung mga regarding sa sa history natin ng Pinas. Intramuros sila, so pwedeng history ng Pinas no gagawin nila, no, or malay nyo i-tackle din nila yung iba't ibang klaseng naging culture natin, no, 'di ba, mga kultura ng mga Pinas, ng Philippines, no. And di na alam, pero from the looks of it, alam niyo naman Intramuros, napakaraming history, napakarami na pong nangyari diyan, no. And grabe na rin po yung history dyan sa lugar na yan, no? So, I think very fitting po yan sa tema po ng SB19 ngayon, no?
At first, many fans assumed that SB19 was filming a music video for their upcoming release. However, after analyzing the timeline, that claim seems unlikely. Their latest song, Damn, is set to drop in less than a week, making it nearly impossible for them to still be shooting scenes at this point. Post-production and editing take time, especially for a group like SB19 that values high-quality visuals and storytelling in their music videos.
I think, for me, this is just my own opinion, pwede, no? Kasi naaalala ko yung Moonlight ba yun, guys? Maalala ko may isa silang music video na parang sobrang bilis lang, no? Sobrang bilis daw. May nakita akong mga comments, ha? Ewan ko lang kung saan yan. Basta may mga comments ako nakita na sobrang bilis lang daw nun. Parang a week or 2 weeks, no? Mga ganun na. Correct me if I'm wrong, ha? Comment down below, no? Pero this time, ewan ko lang kung pwede yun. Or baka pwede naman yung sinushoot nila is hindi para dun sa music video na i-release nila this February 28. Baka ibang music video naman, no? So, pwedeng ganun, no? Or baka may project silang gagawin, or baka merong endorsement or what, no? Baka hindi na alam kung ano mangyari. Pero I'm very sure guys, it's about history. Ayan ang isang ano ko, sisigurado ko sa inyo.
If they were still filming, it would leave them with very little time for editing before the official release. Moreover, it doesn't seem practical to close off an entire area like Intramuros just for a music video shoot. While Intramuros is a well-known historical site, it isn't necessarily packed with visitors every single day. unlike more crowded tourist destinations, it wouldn't be too difficult to conduct a video shoot there without completely shutting it down. Additionally, if any 18 had actually spotted them filming, they likely wouldn't have disrupted the process because most fans would be respectful and simply observe from a distance.
Tama, no? Sabi ko na sa inyo, no? So, kung 18 yan, ano yan, sobrang alam nila yung mga bagay na hindi dapat gawin. Pero, alam niyo na, meron mga casual fans, no? Like, ngayon palang sumusuporta sa SB19 or yung mga fan na, alam mo yon, hindi masyadong nakasusubaybay sa SB19 pero fan sila ng craft ng SB19. I think may tendency na sila po yung magpapasaway, no? 'Di ba? Ayun yung sinasabi ko. Pero yung 18, ulitin ko, sobrang ano yan, sobrang respectful yan sa kung ano mga dapat gawin. No? Pero yung ibang mga casual fans, sila po talaga yung mga hindi knowledgeable pa po sa mga bagay na mga hindi dapat gawin. No?
Given SB19's recent projects and partnerships, the most plausible reason is that this filming was done in collaboration with the National Commission for Culture and the Arts. As many fans know, SB19 serves as a youth ambassador for the NCCA, making them one of the most influential voices in promoting Filipino culture and heritage. The NCCA holds a lot of authority when it comes to cultural and historical sites, and if there was any organization capable of ordering a temporary closure of Intramuros, it would be them. Since February is National Arts Month, it's highly possible that SB19 was filming something special related to Philippine culture, heritage, or history.
So yun guys, ina-acknowledge naman na talaga sila guys, no? Kaya I'm very very sure naman guys na talagang sila na po yung, ewan ka, hindi ko naman sinasabi sila representation ng ating bansa na parang magiging ano. Pero I'm very sure guys, sila po, isa rin sila sa tatatak po sa ating bansa na talagang alam mo yun, no? Magdadala ng watawat po na, yun, no? Reference. So watawat, let's go, no? Alam nyo naman yun guys, no? Ayan, I'm very sure guys na sobrang proud po yung ating bansa, kultura sa SB19 dahil sa ginagawa nila ngayong pagtaas ng bandera ng Pinas, no?
Whether it's an awareness campaign, a promotional video, or a full-scale documentary, their involvement with the NCCA makes this a highly realistic scenario. While the Intramuros filming remains vague for now, what we do know for sure is that SB19 is gearing up for their highly anticipated comeback. They have already released concept photos for Dam, and the level of creativity and effort they put into them is nothing short of impressive.
Napaka-majestic.
Each image tells a story,
Parang
showcasing a
warrior
new
si
artistic
Josh Lido.
direction that fans are eager to explore. In the coming days, we can also expect the release of a teaser track and teaser video leading up to the official drop on February 28th. Fans should get ready because knowing SB19, they will definitely bring something fresh and exciting to the table. Whether it's through their music, visuals, or live performances, one thing is certain, this comeback is going to be a major event for 18 and the entire P-pop community. So let's all prepare to show our full support and celebrate another milestone in SB19's journey. Whatever they were filming in Intramuros, we can be sure that it's something worth looking forward to. Stay tuned and let's make their comeback an unforgettable success.
Okay, no? So, ayun guys, no? Waiting na po tayo. So, kung ano po yung i-release nila, no? Syempre, alam nyo naman, no? Pag sila nag-release, kaabang-abang po talaga. So, ayan, no? Wag lang tayo maging ano, ulitin ko sa inyo na maging respectful po tayo sa space na kailangan nila pag may gagawin sila mga projects, no? So, pinapaalala ko na to kasi baka meron po tayong mga casual fans na nanonood dito na sobrang fan ng SB19, no? Ito, sabihin ko sa inyo, no, wag kayong pupunta doon na kahit alam niyo doon sila, wag mo na silang dudumugin, no? Kasi magre-reflect po 'yan, no? Syempre, alam naman ng yung iba, no, alam nung iba talaga mostly na hindi taga-subaybay ng SB19, pag may nakita silang fan doon na nagpasaway na fan ng SB19, pangalan agad ng 18 ang sasalot po doon, no? So, alam mo na, kumbaga magre-reflect agad 'yan, no? Kaya dapat pakita natin na respectful tayo para masayop po nila na grabe yung ano, yung followers na SB19, no? Sobrang alam mo yun, napaka-respectful nila, no? Napakagaling nilang makisama, napakagaling nilang rumespeto ng space ng isang artist, no? So, ayan, parang maging good example po tayo, no? So, lang naman guys, I hope na lahat tayo excited na po rin sa darating po nilang this February 28, no? I-release nila, no? So, waiting tayo, no? Alam nyo na guys, ha? Abang-abang tayo, no? Let's go! So, yun lang, this is my point of it, signing out. Peace! That's it.